I think Bhavna, you are facing network issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Shikha, I will ask question
Welcome.
from Shikha. Okay, Shikha, can you hear me?
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shikha, is this a cat on the screen? Is this a cat?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, is this a cat?
This is a cat. Yes, sir. This is a cat.
No,
No, no, sir.
Shikha.
This is not cat.
Okay, so what is this? This is a squirrel. Its name is
This is a
squirrel.
squirrel.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Yes, sir.
okay, so the answer is like this, sir. This is not a cat. This is a squirrel. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Is this a dog?
No, sir. This is not a dog.
What is
This
this?
is a this is a
Kangaroo.
kangaroo.
Okay, and what is that? What is that?
This is a snake.
This is a snake. Or is this a bike?
No, this is not bag.
So what is it?
This is a snake.
Okay, okay, okay. So do you have a snake in your house?
No, sir. I have
I
in
don't.
my house no snake.
I don't have snake.
I don't have a snake.
Do you have a kangaroo?
No, sir.
You don't
In
have
my
kangaroo.
house. No, sir. I have not kangaroo.
Okay, I don't have. Okay.
I don't have.
So do you have a squirrel in your house?
No, sir. I have not a squirrel.
You don't have a squirrel. I have not a squirrel is right according to grammar, but if you will say I don't have a squirrel, then it will look pretty. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Shikha. The next one is Ashish Sharma.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So Ashish, is this a dog?
No, sir. This
What?
is the elephant.
This is an elephant. Okay. And is this a dog?
No, sir.
What is
This
this?
is not dog. This is a crocodile.
Okay. Do you have a crocodile in your house?
No, sir. I don't have any crocodile in my
So
house.
what is this? This is a tiger or this is a lion?
This is a lion.
I think this is a tiger.
No, sir. This is not tiger.
This is a lion.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a lion toy?
No, sir. I have no any lion toy.
Okay, okay, very good. I hope students you are understanding what I'm saying. You will have to just observe the things and you just express everything in English. Sir, this is a this thing, this is this thing, this is this thing. So this and that, these and those are very little topic, but I think it is very important when you start to speak, right? Use of has, have, had, and use of this, that, these, those. Very important. It is very important. Now, uh, one more request, student. We come live. We come live on Zoom app every day from Monday to Friday, and it is my request that just change your name, please. If you will not change your name, then I will have to face some problems. Political science study.
Hello, sir. Good
How are
evening,
you?
sir.
Good evening. So,
Yes, sir.
is this a fish?
No, sir. Yes, sir. This is a fish.
Yes, I don't always disappoint everybody. Okay, sometimes I speak right sentence also. So, do you have fish pond in
No,
your house?
no,
No.
no. I have no any type of fish found in
So,
my house.
is this a picture of a bear or not?
Yes, yes. This is a picture of bear.
I think it is a dog.
No, you are wrong. This is a bear.
Okay,
Let
okay,
me see.
okay, okay. Do you have beer in your house?
No, it is very big. I have no bear in my house.
Okay, could you please tell me that where does the bear live?
If he lived in the forest,
Okay. So, what is this? Could you please tell me?
this is bus.
This is bus. This is a government bus or private bus?
A traveling bus and looking the private bus.
Okay, okay. So is this red in color or blue?
Blue and white mixed, not red.
Okay, okay. And on the bus you can see something, and I will try to mark something on it. Wait a minute. Okay.
Yeah, SVS travelers. I can see SVS travelers
Okay, okay, okay.
right here. In
Okay.
red bus. And
And what is
in
this?
red bus.
What is this?
So this is purse.
So it is red in color, right? This is red in color or white?
No, this color is black.
The color is black. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
okay. Very good. Do you have purse? Obviously, you have.
Yes. I have purse.
And
Green color.
do you have a bus also?
No,
No. So do you
I have
have?
no bus.
Okay. Did you have bus in your childhood?
Yes, but I am using bus from for traveling.
Okay. Next, Kajal. Kajal Chaudhary.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Kajal. Kajal, is this a clock?
Yes, sir. This is a clock.
And is this also clock?
Yes, sir. This is a clock. Yes,
This
sir.
is
This is
also
a
clock. Okay. And is this Maxima's clock or Fastex clock?
no, sir. This is not a maximum clock. This is a fast track clock.
I think it is a watch, not clock.
Sorry. This is a watch.
Okay. Nice song. Is this a book?
No, sir. This is not a book. This is an umbrella.
Okay. Kajal, actually, I have to mute you because when I will upload this video anywhere on any platform, then I will get a copyright. Okay, copyright strike from the composer of song, Punjabi song, which was running in background. I like that song. Okay. Tanisha. Tanisha, is this a laptop?
No, sir. This is an umbrella.
This is an umbrella. I think this is a multicolor umbrella or this is green color umbrella.
Yes, sir. This is a multicolor umbrella.
Okay. And what is this? This is hat or cap?
Sir, this is a hat. This is not a cap.
Okay. And everybody listen to me. When I am asking questions for my all students, then you just don't be dumb. Okay. Don't be try to dumb. मुंह बंद करके मत बैठो. आपको कोई नहीं देख रहा है. Just screen is going on. और आपको कोई नहीं देख रहा. आपको जहां भी बैठे हैं आप लोग प्लीज अगर मैं किसी और से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं तो आप लोग आंसर देने का ट्राई कीजिएगा. ठीक है. आप लोग आंसर देते रहिए. कोई नहीं सुनेगा आपका आंसर बट आपको आंसर देना है. आई कांट टॉक एवरीबडी पर्सनली बट आई विल ट्राई कि आप लोग लोगों को देखकर सीख रहे हो और जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ वैसे वैसे आप लोग भी प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा. ओके. एंड इज दिस अ कैप और हैट?
Sir, this is a cap. This is not a hat.
ओके. इज दिस ब्लू कैप?
No, sir. This is black cap.
ओके. डू यू हैव कैप?
Yes, sir. I have a cap.
डू यू हैव अ ब्लैक कैप?
No, sir. I don't have a black cap. I have a red cap.
ओके. ओके. शाइनी.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Shiny. So what is this, Shiny?
This is broom.
This is a broom. Okay. Is this a broom?
Hello, sir.
Is this a broom?
And this is wiper.
This is a viper. This is blue color viper, na?
This is wiper. No, sir. This is red color wiper.
Okay. Do you have viper in your house?
Yes, sir. I have wiper in my house.
Do you use viper?
Yes, sir. Of course. I have used wiper.
And what is this?
This is a printer.
Okay. This is a printer. This is red color printer, na?
No, sir. This is black color printer.
Okay. And what is this?
This is laptop.
And what is this?
This is camera.
I think this is. What is this? This is an ambulance, na?
No, sir. This is crane.
Crane.
This is not ambulance.
This is not.
Yes,
ambulance.
sir.
This is crane. Do you have crane?
No, sir. I don't have crane.
Do you have camera?
No, sir. I don't have camera.
Do you have laptop?
Yes, sir. I have laptop.
Okay. Kamal Tyagi. Okay.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Kamal, what is this?
Sir, this is JCB.
Okay, this is red JCB or blue JCB?
This is
Yellow JCB. This is not the blue or red
Okay.
JCB.
This is yellow in color. Okay. Do you have JCB?
No, sir. I don't have a JCB.
Okay. Do you have train?
No, sir. I don't have train.
Okay. What is this?
This is a ship.
Okay. And what is this?
This is a boat.
So what do you have? What do you have? A ship or boat?
I don't have.
Anything?
Ship. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and what is this?
These are boleros.
Okay, these are cars. Very good. And everything is going very well, I think. Okay. And what is this?
This is a e-rickshaw.
I think this is rickshaw. This is rickshaw or e-rickshaw?
Yes, sir. E-rickshaw, sir.
Okay, so this is not a rickshaw. This is a e-rickshaw. Why it is a e-rickshaw? Do you know about this?
So because it's a battery rickshaw. It is.
Okay, so this is a e-rickshaw because this works on electricity and E stands for electric rickshaw, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is this?
This is auto rickshaw.
Okay, this is a auto rickshaw. Okay, this is red in color, na?
No, sir. This is not red color. This is black auto rickshaw.
Okay,
And
and do you have a auto rickshaw?
No, sir. I don't have auto rickshaw.
And do you have e-rickshaw?
No, sir. I don't have e-rickshaw.
Do you have a car?
No, sir. I don't have car.
Do you have a boat?
No, sir. I don't have boat.
Okay, very good, very good. You performed very well. Just try, okay, and keep in touch with us in next 6 days. Okay, in next 6 days you will revise everything, and then we will close our YouTube classes. Okay, and then we will talk on Zoom app only. So, student, this is very important notification that just we are going to teach you on Zoom app, because if you are not speaking, you are just learning, then you will not be able to speak. Okay, if you want to speak English, then you will have to only speak, not write, not read, and not learn. You need to speak only. So this is only platform where you can talk with your classmates and me. Okay, and next, Monica. Monica, what is this? What is this, Monica?
This is a Toto, sir.
Okay. Okay, and what is this?
This is a scooty.
Okay, and what? This is a scooty. Okay, and what is this?
This is a bike.
I think this is a scooter.
No, sir, this is not a scooter.
Are you sure that it is a bike?
Yes, sir, I am sure.
Okay, so do you have a bike?
No, sir, I don't have a bike.
Do you have a scooty?
No, sir, I don't have a scooty.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, sir, I have a bicycle.
So this is a red color bicycle. Am I right?
No, sir, you are wrong.
So what color
This
is
is
this?
a yellow color.
Okay, and what is this?
Mm, this is a rocket
A rocket. Okay, this is a spaceship.
spaceship.
And what is this? This is aeroplane, right? This is a aeroplane. This is a.
Yes,
So what is this?
yes, sir.
What is this? Monica, what is this?
This is a aeroplane.
This is a helicopter. Okay?
Sorry, sir. This is a helicopter.
Monica, from where you are? Bihar? Jharkhand?
No, sir. I am from West Bengal, Kharagpur.
वेस्ट बंगाल. सो वेस्ट बंगाल में भी तो रैली होती है, वहां भी आते हैं. सो व्हाई यू आर सेइंग इट एरोप्लेन?
I am little nervous, sir. This
Okay.
is my first time. That's
So
why.
okay,
I am
so do
little
you
nervous.
have a helicopter in your house?
No, sir. I don't have a helicopter in my house.
Okay, do you have a spaceship?
No, sir. I don't have a spaceship.
Okay, you already told me that you have a bicycle. Okay, Monica, very good.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Galaxy J7. Please rename yourself, because it is very difficult for me that I don't want to pronounce you like this. Galaxy, Redmi. Okay. Sapna Prajapati. Sapna,
Yes, sir. Good
Okay.
evening, sir.
good evening. So, what is this?
So this is helicopter.
And what is this?
This is aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. So, is this a black aeroplane?
No, sir. This is white color.
Okay. Do you have an aeroplane?
No, sir.
Garib log. Okay. Do you? What is this?
Sir, this is Bolero type.
This is a car. Huh?
Oh, sir.
This is a SUV car. Okay. And what is this?
This is luggage truck.
Okay. This is truck. And what is this?
This is ambulance.
No, Sapna. I think this is a police car. I think.
No, sir. No,
This,
sir.
this is not a police car.
No, sir. Because it's written here ambulance.
Okay. And what is this?
This is van.
And what is this?
This is tractor.
Do you have a tractor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. And the next turn goes to Harshal Patel. Okay. So,
Good evening, sir.
good evening, sir. What is this on the screen?
This
What-
is tractor.
and now
This is a car.
this is blue car, na?
No, this is a black car.
Okay. Where is the car? I lost my car. Just because of you, I lost my car.
No, sir.
Okay. So now I think students, we have covered all the singular things, right? And now I am going on plurals. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what are these?
Those are cameras.
Do you have cameras?
Yes, I have camera.
How many cameras you have?
One camera in my house.
Okay. And what are these?
These are laptop.
Okay. And what are these?
These are helicopters.
Okay. What are these?
These are boats.
And what are these?
These are bikes.
And what are these?
These are
Fishes.
fishes.
Okay. So do you have bikes, hundreds bikes in your house?
No, sir.
Okay.
I have only one bike.
And do you have ships?
No, sir.
Garib log. Do you have helicopters?
No, sir. I have not helicopter.
You don't have helicopters? I have, I think, 4 or 5 helicopters in my laptop. And do you have laptops?
Yes, sir. I have laptop.
How many laptops do you have?
Only one laptop.
So you have only one laptop, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So student, these are just basic things, and these things we have learnt already in our third standards, I think. But the problem is that we are not able to speak it. We are not able to contact with the nature directly. Okay. After this class, I will restart another class with the same ID and password at 9:35. Okay. 9:35 पर फिर से मैं क्लास शुरू करूंगा. यही आईडी यही पासवर्ड रहने वाला है. और वन मोर थिंग के आप लोग उसे भी ज्वाइन कीजिएगा. उसमें हम कॉन्वर्सेशन क्लास करेंगे. ठीक है. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन है. एंड नेक्स्ट ज्योति शुक्ला.
Hello, sir.
ये तो करण शुक्ला हो गए.
Sir, can I also know what? Yes, sir.
Okay. So Karan, what are these?
Yeah. Hey. This is fish. Those are fish.
These are horses, right?
Sir, these are horses. Sir, let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
and what are these?
So these are trees.
These are trees. Do you have trees in your house?
No, sir, I don't have a trees in my house. I have plants.
Okay. I don't have trees in my house. Okay.
I don't have, yes, sir, I don't have
So
trees.
what are these?
So these are phones, mobile phones.
Okay. Do you have mobile phones?
Yes, sir. I have a mobile phone.
So how many mobile phones do you have in your house total?
So only 5 mobile phones.
Okay. Only 5.
My house only 5 mobile phones.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
what are these things?
These are balls.
These are watches. Okay. And what are these?
Yes, sir. So these are plants.
So do you have plants in your garden?
Yes, sir. I have plants in my garden.
Do you really have a garden?
No, sir. These garden. No. So the terrace.
Okay, on
Terrace way.
terrace. On terrace. Gamla system.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On terrace.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
very
what
well.
are these?
So these are monkeys.
These are, no, I think these are group of tigers.
No, sir. No, sir. You are wrong. These are monkeys.
Okay, these are monkeys. Okay. And what are
Yes,
these?
sir.
These are bikes. Okay, I got it. These are bikes now.
No, no, sir. You are wrong. These are cars.
Okay, these are cars. Okay.
This is not a bike.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this? What is this?
Sir, meaning is
This is
These are-
no problem. If you don't know that what is this, you can say this
Yes, sir,
is
this is
Gilari. This is Gilari bhi chalega. No problem.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Okay. What is this?
sir. This is Gilari.
Again Gilari. Badi Gilari
So
ho
this is
gayi.
kangaroo.
Okay.
No, sir. No, sir. This is kangaroo. So
So-
that problem.
I know that. So, students, now I will restart the class at 9:35. I will just take 5 minutes for the next class. You can join the class with the
Okay,
same
sir.
ID and password. Thank you very much, everyone.